Hello and welcome back to the tutorial series of creating a Discord bot with Python. I am Kushagra and I'll be guiding you throughout this series. So let's get started. In today's episode, we are going to talk about events. So there are a lot of events in a Discord server, and what we can do with events is that we can command our bot to do something when a certain event occurs. So we can go back to the API reference sheet of discord.py and we can check all the events that are there. So in this we can see there are events like discord.onConnect when called when the client is successfully connected to Discord, or on shard connect, or on disconnect, on shard disconnect, on ready, on shard ready, on resumed, on shard resumed, on error, on socket raw receive message, and so many more. So I'll be particularly talking about two of these, that is Discord on message and Discord on message delete. So let's get back to our source code. So first of all, we'll create our event decorator, that is @client dot event, and then we have to write async def on underscore message, and this will take a parameter that is, you guessed it right, that is message. So now that we have already created a function, now let us create a conditional statement, because all the messages on the server will trigger this message, but we need the bot to respond to certain messages. So let us write a if statement. That would be if message dot content. So basically we are using the attribute content because a message consists of many things. It consists of the author, the date timestamp, the content of the message, and a few other details. But all we need for this part of conditional statement is the content of the message. Now we'll follow it by another attribute of a string, that is starts with, and we'll pass in the parameter that would be hello. So whenever a user sends a message that starts with hello, our bot should respond with a greeting. So we'll write await message dot channel dot send, and the parameter for this should be hello there. Now let us try out this piece of code on our server. So our bot is online, we'll just go and we'll type hello, and our bot says hello there. You can see our piece of code works, and if you notice, I have changed the bot's avatar. So all you have to do is you have to go to Discord's developer portal and upload an app icon from here. Now that we have created an event that triggers on message, let us create an event that triggers when a message is deleted. Let us write another event decorator, that is client.event. Let us write async define a function that is on message delete. So like on message, this also takes the same parameter, that is the message. So whenever a message is deleted from any channel on the server, the following event is triggered. So let us create an event where the deleted message is displayed to us after it has been deleted by a user. So it should show us who was the author of the message and what the message was. So to get the author, we'll write author equals to message dot author, and to get the content of the same, we'll write content is message dot content. and the channel the message was sent in would be also necessary. Message dot channel. So let us write a conditional statement now so that only the messages deleted by other users are displayed. So if the author is our own bot, that would be client dot user. We want the event to return nothing, so we'll just write pass. But other than that, if the author is not our bot, we need the message to be displayed, so we'll write else await channel dot send, and now we'll create a f string here, so we'll write author to tell who sent the message, and we'll create another one that tells us the content of the message, and obviously a string to end it. So now let us try out this event. We have updated our bot. The bot is online. Let us check. So first of all, I'll write hello. The bot says hello. Now I'll delete this message. So as you can see, when I delete this message, our bot tells us that I wrote a message that said hello. But now check this out. If I delete the message that bot has sent, nothing happens. The bot does not respond to this. This is because we made it clear that if the author of the message is our bot, we do not want the event to do anything. So that was about all in today's episode. You can find out about more events from the discord.py documentation, which will be linked down in the description, and experiment. Write down in the comments what do you want me to do next, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to me. It really motivates me to keep creating these videos. Goodbye.